Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today we are in the beautiful area of DIngli Cliffs. You can see what a beautiful view you can see from here. And from here we're going to go Migra l-Ferha. I am with some of my colleagues and hope you enjoy this place. This is the view you will get at DIngli Cliffs. Here we are trekking inland, going down to Ras Dawara. Now we are moving inland because from the cliffside it's very difficult to pass due to many private lands, and now we are going around the area until we get down near the cliffs again. Mela, now we are at Dingli. It's called the Simbliya, and we are going to Il-Hasselin. I'm with my friends. I have Conrad here, Daniel, Raniel, and Ingwan. Here we are at Il-Hasselin. Peaceful countryside. We are still at Il-Hasselin. Anybody knows what this means in Maltese, please comment below. I never heard about it before. Here we found what is Il-Hasselin. Look at this area, how beautiful and peaceful it is. On the other part is where we were before, Simbliya. And now we are still walking down until we find the cliffs again. Here we found some cart ruts. They continue here, and if you look here, we have some ruts as well. But these here, on this side, are more prominent. And if we go to this side, we have some more. How prominent these are. Here you can find some beautiful views everywhere, and it's very quiet. Nice place to come. So now let's continue on our journey. We are still walking to Mtahlef, on the edge of the cliffs now, but far away from the sea. I have Conrad behind me. Say hello, Conrad.
Hello, hello.
So here is Ras Dawara, and we have to reach that point there. Hopefully, we have to go around all this area and end up there, and then we go back up. Started our way down to the edge of the cliff in a road carved in rocks. It's a beautiful cave. We have found some caves. Looks interesting, yeah? Interesting, huh? The views, as I told you, here. Back up with there's another one. Carving rock here. Most probably being used by animals. We are still going down in Mtahlef, but the countryside here is beautiful, huh? Oh. Everywhere you look, it's so green. I never saw it like this. Nice, huh? Now we have reached the paved road leading to Mdaħleb, and we are going down to the cliffs. We're still going down the road. Now we have reached Migra l-Ferha valley, and now we are going down into the valley. Now we are going down the steps to Migra l-Ferha valley. Look. Look, this valley. We're still going down. Now we are going to pass from this part here, between inside the valley. It's a little bit slippery here. We have reached the end of this valley. We have water, and to continue you have to climb up. And this is the way we came from. Here you can see an inland pool. We are at the base of the valley of Migra l-Ferha. Now we started our way back on top of the cliff. Well, here we are at tal-Hasselin Cliffs. We are still walking our way back from where we started, but this time we are on the cliffs. The views, as you can see, are beautiful. Ras id-Dawwara, those cliffs, and we have to go up there. So let's go. Beautiful views from here. Look at this cave here. This was Dawwara again. Beautiful, eh? Look how beautiful here. There is these big caves. Last year here or this year, a guy fell from up there and died. Beautiful, eh? This cave. Finally we reach Ras Dawwara, these beautiful cliffs. Now we continue on our way back. And now we have to start heading up the valley because we are climbing up from down there, going all the way up there. So we go back on top of the cliff. Finally made it on top of the cliffs. I am out of breath as usual, followed by the donut because they cannot do it. But was worth it. Very nice here. So I will show you the views as well. And there where Daniel pointing out, this is all the way. We got all the way around there with the cliffs down here and up here. Finally we're on top. We have reached our final destination, which is DIngli Cliffs. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.
Dik għamed dal-għodu, għetla normalkom mejda, ta' tifrintax għaltlu justju. Għetla ma mandekx ta' għamel, għaltlu justju batman
What a better way to end our vlog? Coming here and finding Daniel's wife made a table for us with the Christmas spirit. So now we have to say bye bye until next time and subscribe. Bye.